Tutorial 7, Group 3, Maps Mobile Application, Paper Prototype. Our Maps application builds on the good elements of Google Maps and refines some of Google's tricky-to-use features. Our application supports all of the common manipulation gestures used in map applications today. These gestures include using a single finger swipe to pan the map from one location to another. Using two fingers with a rotating gesture to orient the map. We also support using two fingers in a pinching or expanding motion to zoom. In order to search for a location or request directions from one location to another, our application provides two buttons which are always visible at the top of the main interface: Search on the left and Directions on the right. To show how the search and directions features work, we will be walking through two different tasks. Task 1. Find the Eiffel Tower and then Street View on the same street as the Eiffel Tower. To start searching, we simply tap on the Search button at the top of the screen. This brings us to the search interface. From here, we can begin typing our search term. Here we type the word Eiffel, and as we type, a suggestion for Eiffel Tower appears. Tapping the option takes us to the location. We are brought back to the main interface and the map pans automatically to our search location. A box also appears with location information at the bottom of the screen. Tapping the X removes the box. Now that we've found it, we can get a street view of the Eiffel Tower. Tapping the Street View button in the bottom menu causes the button to bounce. The user is also given a prompt to drag the icon onto the map. Tapping and dragging the icon onto the desired street enters Street View mode. From here, we can pan using swipes to take a look around. Tapping the X at the bottom of the screen will cause us to exit Street View mode. Task 2. Find directions from Budrum to Southport, avoiding tolls. To find directions, we start with tapping on the Directions button at the top of the screen. This takes us to the Directions interface. Notice that the From field is preloaded with the user's current location and the To field is preloaded with our last searched item. We will change that later. For now, let's make sure there will be no tolls on our route by tapping the Options button. Tapping the Options button reveals our route options. Let's select the Avoid Tolls option. Tapping the Options button again hides the menu. We can now enter our From and To locations. Tapping on the From field removes its contents and allows us to begin typing. A few letters into typing Budrum, a suggestion for Budrum appears. Let's select it. Tapping on the To field removes its contents and allows us to begin typing. A few letters into typing Southport, a suggestion for Southport appears. Let's select it. Upon tapping the Southport suggestion as our destination, we are brought back to the main interface. Our chosen route is displayed, and look, no tolls. Thank you for watching.